everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family, yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, Saturday. It is Saturday, March the 7th, 2026. This is a small haul I got from Wally Mark. How y'all doing this morning? Hope all of you are doing well. And welcome. Thank you so much, returning visitors, passy-bys, stop by, looky-loos, nosy eyes, trolleys. If you're returning to take another look and still considering subscribing, thank you so much. And if you have already subscribed, thank you very much. And if you return and you notice that you're unsubscribed, please simply subscribe back to the channel, like the video, hit the hype button, hit the notification bell so you can know when videos are put up, and don't forget to comment. And always remember to subscribe back if you are unsubscribed. And content creators, that go for you too. My continuing supportive content creators that are subscribers to my channel, thank you. And if you notice you are unsubscribed, please take the time to subscribe back to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, because I darn sure like all of your videos when I'm on your channel. It will help my channel and it'll be very supportive, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna get to my haul. What's happening? I seen an article. Let me share this news right quick. I seen an article, I don't know if it was on social media or on the web, saying that China and what is it? China and, is it Germany? Wherever. Okay, they saying that China and other countries joined in to fight with Iran, or I don't know how it goes, but I don't know, y'all. I know the gas prices are going up. My son sent me a message saying he was filling up because the gas prices were going up, and there's no telling how much they'll go up to. Shoot, out here in California, these gas prices, they can get ridiculous. They can get real ridiculous with the prices of gas in some areas. But if you notice the gas prices going up, food prices going up, because they say with this war, allegedly, all prices of things that will go up. So I plan on catching deals, sales, and use them dang store coupons, whatever they offering. And if they got, when they got it on sale, that's when I'm gonna try and get me a few. Like in this order, I picked up 4 cans of Great Northern beans. I think they was 80 cents a can. So I got 4 to add to. Well, I don't know. I think I might got maybe 4, and this gonna make 8. So that's how I made a case. Sure did. And I got some more to fish fry. And I got 3 Louisiana. Let me see, y'all see 3 Louisiana New Orleans style fish fry, lemon flavor. Yeah. And I also picked up these Dixie plates. I think these was $5, $6. 50 plates, 10-inch. The 10-inch is a little wider than the 8-inch. So, and what else? Oh, hold up, y'all. Hold up. Yeah, we got some paper plates. I showed you the fish fry and the canned Great Northern beans. So now I got Great Northern red beans. I got chili beans. I got chili beans. I got pinto beans, butter beans, lima beans, black eyed peas, that other kind of bean. Well, I got beans in the can, and I also got dry beans. Also, I picked up a box of great value oven ready lasagna noodles. I got one of those. And also, we having fish tonight, so I got some French fries. I got the Ore-Ida crispy crinkles. I picked up 2 bags of those. We only gonna use 1 bag. These are 32-ounce bags. And I got some for the fish fry tonight. I picked up some Kraft tartar sauce. I got one of those. And the fish we having, I didn't take the cod out, but we got flounder, swai, tilapia, cat, dang, what the other one? White. I think that's about it. And that's what we have. And shrimp and corn, French fries. I don't know if they eat bread or not. Really ain't necessary, but ain't no telling y'all. I can always whip up something if they want it. And I also got a carton, a half a gallon of great value lactose-free whole milk. And let me see. I usually get that fat milk, but I got a little left. I got this fresh milk because I'm about to make my pudding, my parfaits. So I wanted fresh milk. I don't use no old milk. I need fresh milk to make them parfaits. What's the date on there? Oh, they got April on there. Okay, and then I also picked up 2 boxes of Hungry Jack complete pancake mix. These are big old boxes. These 32-ounce boxes. And it's just add water, Hungry Jack pancake mix. And 2 boxes of those. And yeah, I know I can make pancake mix, but sometimes I do buy the ones already ready to go. Oh, I didn't say I picked up one of my favorite syrups, Log Cabin. No high fructose corn syrup, or Log Cabin syrup. And what else? Did I say the fries? I think I did. Oh, and I got a 6-ounce. I did not even know they had shredded. They got great value. Walmart got great value Parmesan shredded cheese. One of these days, I don't know, probably next week, I'm gonna make a pizza. I was supposed to make pizza to go with that mac, spaghetti mac, and I didn't get a chance to do it because I got really busy. But I'm gonna get to that pizza, making that pizza. So yeah, this is an online order, and this order went smooth. I ain't gonna tell y'all about an order I had. This young lady, I said, where's the rest of my water, my sodas, and some other things? She brought half of everything. And then when my husband and I was out there, we asked her, where's the rest of our food? And she told us, hold up, y'all. She told us that she didn't know what we were saying to her. And I guess since she didn't know what we were saying to her, she was, I guess, going to not give us the other half of our food. So what my husband did, when she finished giving us the first half, she was getting ready to leave. My husband, he followed her down. And good thing he did, because she had the rest of our food in her car. So, that is a problem when you get a delivery person that can't communicate with you. So you can't ask them, tell them, I'm missing this, that, and the other. And then when they come back at you, I don't understand what you're saying. And I done spent my hard-earned money. And now if you go say you don't know what I'm saying and you got the rest of my groceries in your car, you can't say that you don't understand that I don't have everything. But it was annoying. But we did get the rest of our food, and I'm happy about that. But I don't like those kind of experiences. I want to be where I can be able to ask, where's my stuff, because I spent my money. And I'm not trying to, I want my product. I want the product that was delivered, indeed. I definitely want my stuff because it could be something I needed to cook with that day or to make something the next day, whatever. I bought it. It's mine. I want it. And then when they send somebody that can't tell me where the rest of my stuff, that is annoying. But if you ever experience something like that, say so in the comments. Share your goings-ons of what's happening, because I know I'm not the only person that this type of stuff happens to. Or they'll say, another scenario, they'll say, oh, I don't have it, it wasn't in the car. And then next thing you know, okay, go follow them and see they got it, and then there it is. Dang, it's just annoying. You spend your money, why you supposed to be a delivery? Okay, I'm gonna move on because it's frustrating and it's annoying because you spent your money. That's my stuff. I want it all. Sodas are expensive. That water was expensive, and I want all my stuff. Do y'all know how stupid the price of sodas are these days? Some of these people want $11 for a 12-pack of soda. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. And then I was at the hamburger stand the other day. I wanted a small fry. And my old self, I ain't really go to no hamburger stands in a long time. I'm talking about where's the dollar menu. You know it ain't no more dollar menu. I said, how much is a small fry? $3.49. I said, $3. I'm dang near choked. I left. I said, I might as well go home, cut me up some potatoes, and make my own doggone fries. I am not spending $3.50 on a small fry. Are you freaking kidding me? They don't taste that doggone good. Now, I know a lot of folks still go out their way and have their lunch at these restaurants where nowadays used to be you can get a family meal of 4 for $20. Now, shoot, it's $20 for one person. If y'all experiencing this stuff at all, this is ridiculous. I'll just go home. I'll take that $20, go to the store, pick up some potatoes, a pack of ground beef, get some buns and stuff, and be about my business, make my own food. I ain't got time to eat one time on $20 in the street. I don't do that. Where they do that at? Well, some of y'all probably do that, but I can't. Even if I could afford it, I ain't doing it. That's ridiculous. But anyway, I'm going to get off here. I just came through, share this little haul with y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And that's about it. I don't know what else to tell you. All right, then. Y'all have a good day. I guess I'm going to try and make a video for my garden channel. Holla at me at my garden channel, over at my garden channel, and my crafting channel. If you like crafting, gardening, meet me over there. And if you're not subscribed, please do participate and become part of the family over there on those channels. Just subscribe. It's free. As usual. Alright, y'all have a great one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake.